Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Car Question. You're gonna say, Matt, where's the car? Well, I brought you a Honda. And yes, Honda is making a lot of power equipment also, not just only car, they are even making private jet. But this review is gonna have to wait because right now I'm still waiting for Honda to give me a clear to go and test out that jet. Still, we have a lot of needs here at Car Question. We're filming a lot of cars, we're always traveling, sometimes we're in the middle of nowhere. And I wanted to have some portable power with me. Powering the camera, powering the equipment, powering the lighting, not just only that, sometimes it's always good to have some electricity in backup in case you need it. Let's say that you have some big truck out there and you need some power tools to repair them right there on the field. Well, this could be useful. I know a lot of you guys are farmers. Well, why not use that? And also in camping, you know, you bring the kids along, the Winnebago just goes down and there you go, you need to repair it, and sometimes it could be really useful. Also, you'll never know when you're gonna need it in an emergency situation. So we've got the Honda inverter EU2000i. Let's talk about the statistic a little bit about this one. It's ultra quiet. AC voltage available is going to be rated at 120. You will have an approximate running time with a full tank of 3.4 hours at full power and 9 hours if you run in eco mode at 25% of the power. You've got the cold climate technology, so you can really use it in the cold, and the dry weight of it without any gas, without any oil is going to be rated at 45.6 pounds. 2000 watt of Honda inverted 120 vac power. It's really quiet, you know, 59 decibel at a rated load and 53 at 25% load. You can double your power and connect it with another EU2000i companion model for up to 4000 watt of power. This is a real great advantage of this one. You've got an engine which is a reliable Honda GX100NT. It's a 4-stroke engine. You've got two regular outlets rated at 13.3 amp, and this is as a combined total for these two. You've got a DC plug, which is going to be rated at 8 amps and 12 VDC. It's important to note that you cannot use the same outlet together, so be careful with that. This one's going to be used to simply charge another battery, let's say. So fuel tank capacity is 3.6 liters, and the fuel consumption is 1.06 liter per hour, and that's at 25% power. And if you want, you've got some accessory that you can add to it, generator cover, charging cord, name it, everything is available for this kind of one. So let's look at this one. At the rear, you've got the exhaust part of it, which can get hot a little bit over time, but it's really well protected. Let's take a look on the side. Let's unscrew that section. So this is going to give you access to all the components that you see right now. So you've got the choke, you've got the air filter, which is easily accessible, and you have your oil right here. Remember, always check your oil before you start your generator. This is really important because sometimes it's going to roll for a long time and you don't want anything to happen to it. Right there on the other side, when you remove the cap, there you go. So you've got access to your spark plug, which is really easy maintenance when it's right there on top. So you need to check your oil, you need to check your air filter, and you need to check your spark plug, which is really easy before you do a long run with that one. So let's talk about fuel. So you put in regular fuel and you've got a little nozzle right here, which is off on. So when you're going to be transporting it, put it into the off setting, and you will have a filter right there at the bottom to make sure that you don't put any damageable object right there in the gas section. So let's get back to the front right here in the details. So you've got your eco throttle right here, so 25% of power and full power. You've got right there your parallel operation outlet. Those are going to be useful when you're going to plug your other generator right here. And by the way, it's only another Honda generator that you can plug there. So you've got your AC out 120 volts, 13.3A maximum, and this is combined for both. And this is the other outlet that I was talking about. So you've got the on-off right here feature. This is going to be mainly used to charge another battery, your tractor, your power equipment, your boat. But remember, I tried to power it with that an electric car, and it didn't went well. I'm gonna explain that to you a little bit later. You need an adapter or you need another kind of equipment to really charge your electric car. And you will say, why, Matt, are you talking to me about charging my electric car with that? It's gonna take forever. Well, guess what? I'm always thinking about the apocalypse. So if some things happen, you're gonna be ready. So you've got also different LEDs right here. The oil, if you've got a low level of oil, this is really important. If you've got an overload alarm, and you've got also the output indicator, meaning that everything is going well. And this one is kind of built on little rubbers, so it won't really shake when it started. So why not go for a start? So let's turn the choke on. Let's turn that plug right here at on. And by the way, if you want to pull the cord in this kind of way, be careful because you're gonna damage the finish of your power generator. So be careful, guys. Always pull in a straightforward manner, just like that. There you go. As you can see, it's not really loud. And by the way, you're gonna tell me, Matt, don't start that in the garage. I know all the doors are open, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna simply turn off the choke right here, perfectly running. And as I was telling you guys, you've got that little LED here, meaning that everything is okay. When I turn off the echo throttle, there you go, it's full power. So it's not really loud. You can put it into another room. That's still not too bad. And here's an example of the equipment that we can use right here for our car. Proper side, there you go. Working fine, huh? Let's reduce power. There you go, on-demand power. And simply turn that up like that. There you go, portable power. That's a thing that I like. So right now, this is gonna be right there in the equipment. When the crew need it, they're gonna be able to use it. So I know a lot of you guys do have these power generator in your home, in your garage, at the camp, name it, on the field. I want to know, what do you use it for? Tell me in the comment section down there below. Do a thumbs up because you like that video, and remember, we're gonna test more power equipment, more things with an engine, probably with the Honda logo right now. So it's still related to car in some kind of way. You know, I always like to test something with an engine. How about you guys? Thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, we will have more video for you on the next car question. Take care.